installation method for a stock cooler for Intel push pin type. There are several socket types that support this design, the 755, 1155, 1366, the more recent 1700, they all use similar type push pin design, and they can be a little bit tricky to actually install. So basically what we do is first we align, we turn all these pins fully 90 degrees or clockwise, turn them clockwise fully by hand, and then you align it opposite the holes on the motherboard. So just put them on the hole, and then you need to actually hold the cooler and stand up the case, and you need to look on the other end here to make sure that they are all going through the actual holes in here. Basically you need to make sure that, because if it doesn't go through the hole and you start pushing, it will actually break the pin. So if you start pushing one, starts going in, and then the opposite end and on the other side, yeah, here, this one is going in, and then this one going in, and the last one here also open. So you can see all of them have opened basically. And now if we go back, yeah, and you could move it, there you go, it was a little bit loose. That's it, as long as you make sure it's opposite the holes and you adjust it from the other side. This is now solid. Now the way to actually open them is with a screwdriver. You rotate them 90 degrees counterclockwise. So I could do it by hand, just rotate them counterclockwise basically. It'll only go 90 degrees, and then you start wiggling it and it comes off. There you go. Thank you very much.